good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Just have a closer look. You just see that these senior citizens, they are on the open gym. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to just the weather is so beautiful today. I just pushed to speak something. Just when it was raining, my wife told me to be home. Do something home, don't come out, because rain will drench you. The clothes will be bad. So we have to again clean it afterwards. But I was just trying to understand what is life. Give a look here, you just see that this lady on the red, you just see what she's doing. That's wonderful. That is beautiful. That is beauty. So, coming back to the point, I was just trying to understand what is life. What is life, ladies and gentlemen? And I feel that life is rain. Life is sun. Life is happiness. Life is sadness. Life is, light. And life is dark. So everything that comes into your life while you are going is life. So, ladies and gentlemen, while we are going around this beautiful place and trying to just find an answer to the vexed question, we're trying to find the answer, ladies and gentlemen, to the most important question in the world on this planet that we love and that we know, that what is life. So, ladies and gentlemen, life is not happiness alone. Let me tell you, life is laughter, life is tears, life is family, life is education, life is friends, life is enemies. So, ladies and gentlemen, life definition. So don't be touched only by the good things. See the opportunity that you can find even in the bad things. Even in tears, there might be something excellent beneath there. Because ladies and gentlemen, this God's creation, this whole of universe, we are a very, very small speck. We are nothing. We are not even bigger than a dot. Even if this whole solar system goes off just one fine day, with all the 9 planets, the earth, and of course our sun, nothing will happen to this universe of ours. It will keep on going. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I am trying to tell you, when we are so small, so insignificant, why to worry about things? Why not to walk with head high and full stride, the way I am doing it now? Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many asteroids, so many meteoroids, so many man-made and other satellites going, and millions and billions of solar systems in this universe. But they are going in a perfect geometry. This is basically a potter's wheel. Understand, this whole universe is a potter's wheel. So what I am trying to tell you, when we speak about the creation, hats off to these people doing the morning exercise. That is great. When this is the potter's wheel and geometry is the question, so naturally geometry of this human body, this life has to be in sync with the creation of the God. creation of the world, creation of the solar system, and creation of the universe. So if we don't keep the geometry of ourselves perfect and in tune with this creation of the world, we will be doomed and soup. So what I'm trying to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the happiness alone is not life. We need to be, what is life? Life is duty to the society, to the community and the world. Life is responsibility. Life is consciousness. Life is, devotion. Life is empathy. Life is humility. Life is to be human. Ös wanan yishuk insan banomut. Ös insan banaymet. Magar aise getse insan sund hyu butasun. Butasun insan sund hyu. No matlab we should have all the qualities that we were created for as a human being. But at the same time, I just want to slightly, because the video is now I don't want to be going very long, I need to go also. So ladies and gentlemen, remember this, God has made this human being who is the greatest creation. His greatest creation, her greatest goddesses. God means God and goddesses, remember. He and she, his and her. So ladies and gentlemen, what I'm trying to tell you, you just see why you just see the people doing exercise. What I'm trying to tell you, this brain of ours, it has evolved over billions and billions of years. What is the difference between animal and man brain? Animal is there, you just say you take a monkey, and if he takes your cap, you simply need to just take the cap off your head and throw it on the ground. He will immediately take the cap and throw it on the ground. That means it is a unidirectional, single direction thinking of the monkey and all other animals that we can think of. This is an example because monkey, apes are very near. They're very near to the man and woman. So what I'm trying to tell you, this human being, this person that are you and me, it has two brains, two minds. One is saying yes and one is saying no for anything. As I told you in the morning, when my wife told me, just stop, it's raining, don't go out, be in the home, because your clothes will get dirty and drenched and we have to wash it again. We're living in the most beautiful times of the history of the world. So immediately, as I told you, we are having two brains. One is yes, one is no, or maybe the other one is yes and the first one is no. So everything that you question, that you come up with, immediately both the brains work in tandem, and one says the yes, do it, the other says don't do it. So the key, I will tell you, they think that is for the betterment of the humanity, that is good for you and your family and society. Even if the brain tells this, don't do it, still do it. And similarly, if there is something toxic for you, say smoking, drinking, or maybe garbage food, Pepsi, Cola, if you think that it's not good for you, good for health, it will just give you fat and bloating, stop it. Don't take Pepsi, don't take Cola, don't take pizza, don't take the burger so that you will turn into a burger. So ladies and gentlemen, what I'm trying to tell you, if the question that you pose to your two brains, the one brain says that it's very tasty, this burger, and this pizza and Pepsi. But you find that it's not good for your health. It's not good for your body, because it will give bloating, it will give rise to your, diabetes and sugar levels. So if you like it, don't take it. Don't take it. That is the second brain which will be immediately working. And last of all, ladies and gentlemen, mind gives you thinking, heart gives you emotions, and hands give you energy. So if there is a very big question where both your brains, the yes brain and the no brain, don't answer the question. Answer what you need to eat, what you need to speak, what you need to listen, what you need to do, how you need to conduct your life. So there is only one mantra, there is only one reply, that is ask the heart. Because heart can never ever ditch you. Take the final call from the heart, from your dil. But of course, as I told you, be responsible, be conscious, be dutiful, and live every moment of your life in a positive, conscious, responsible way. So ladies and gentlemen, I sign off here. I sign off on this note because I'm intoxicated with the morning thrill, with the morning beauty of this beautiful place, with all the greenery, with the drizzle, and I'm running on this virgin grass. This is virgin green grass. So ladies and gentlemen, keep smiling, keep happy, keep thinking. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. I sign off on this person who is, doing the exercise. That's very important, Beautiful. Great, excellent.